Hello students, today I am explaining 27th section of income tax. Problems on computation of total income from salary. This is the sixth part. A recap of previous session, computation of total taxable income from salary. Learning objectives. We are learning computation of total taxable income from salary in this particular slide. And we have session outcomes. That is, learners will know the computation of total taxable income from salary, problems on computation of total taxable income from salary. Summary, computation of total taxable income from salary. Salary received by the manager of an agricultural income. So already we have discussed this becomes salary income. So it's an agriculture income. Salary received by the manager of an agriculture farm. It is actually salary income, already we learned, and this you take it as a salary income, not an agricultural income. The following the following is exempt income from income tax. So that means ಇದರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಟು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ, ರೆಮ್ಯುನರೇಷನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, encashment of leave salary whilst in service, perquisite in India. Of course it is perquisites in India. The following is not taxable as income under the head salaries. So that means ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಒಂದು 4 ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ out of 4 options, which is not considered as income under the head salaries: commission received by a full-time director, remuneration received by a partner, allowances received by an employee, free accommodation given to employee. So remuneration received by a partner. If an employer transfers second-hand motor car to the employee, the perquisite is valued at dash. So this actual cost less depreciation at 20% for every completed year under SLM method. That is straight line method. Compensation received on voluntary retirement is given by in which of Income Tax Act 1961. This 10 subsection 10C. Thank you for watching this video. These are the reference books you have.